Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Having recently reviewed this ratchet assembly, this one's from Victorinox, and it comes with the case and the extra bits, and I bought the extension separately. I really like this ratchet assembly. I really like it for the fact that it's so streamlined. So I got to looking at some of my options from cases and stuff that I have to see what would be a viable option to actually carry this kit around, because it offers you the ability to carry 10 10 bits with you, plus the ratchet, plus the extension, if you can find a way to carry it feasibly that's comfortable. It doesn't, I don't think it was going to work well in the pocket because all the bits are exposed, and so they, especially like the 0 bit or any of your Phillips bits and some of your smaller, they're just going to jab you in the through your pocket in the thigh or something. I just don't like that option. So I got to looking at what I had, and I come across my old Leatherman Crunch case. Now, you can get this case separately. You can buy this all day long, actually. And I was test fitting it, and I think it is a very, very good option to carry these bits. So you set that in there first. You run the extension right by it on the bit side, and it just snaps in. It's almost like it was built for it. I really like this option, and I especially like the fact that, I don't have to search around for the right bit. So I just open it up, I pull, and all the bits come with it. And so I can just select what I need, and then once I'm done, put everything right back, and it's just a viable option in my opinion. Now I'll leave links below for, I'll leave links below for all the Victorinox stuff that I have in here right now as well, and for this case. So this is kind of sacrilege because your Victorinox products in a Leatherman case, but it just fits really, really well. I like this option. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. Thank you for your views, and I'll see you in the next one.